We actually have sound this time from the start. So yeah, chattering needs fixing. So fixing. But that version of the bot isn't really ready. Yeah, well, need to rename this. Here I have bot token now. Wow, Rust builds are hard on the stream. Hopefully this will work this time. And we'll actually go to rewriting the compiler. I'm still not really sure what's the best way to do it. Okay, we're loading. Nice. I'm sure this part will be faster if I write it in Godot, whatever. Wait. Okay, I'm still not sure. Build. VS Code. Code editor. This part should also be better with Godot. Because, well, not that I'm good at writing, especially performant soft bodies. Especially when GPU is a thing. Yeah, I need to somehow get those expressions. It's open simple. It's just there are no comments. Let's just yes string. Just make it compile, and let's rewrite the compiler so it still compiles. By the way, does calculator still work? No. Wait, what? What? With some bugs to fix? It's not really what I expected. So on line 44 and 47. For some reason I can't multiply. Oh, wait, key is just undefined, undeclared for some reason. What have I changed to break it? What? Let's see if this compiles. Yeah, this part does, so this problem is with scopes. I don't know how I broke it. This was meant to be like that. Actually, type inference, actually scopes. Resolve symbol. What? Something is over. Name pass segment. Get symbol. What is this function? What is a what is a resolver? What is that? I don't remember anything. Variable. Expression. What expression is this? Constant? Well, it's not really constant. It's a variable. The variable declaration, I'm pretty sure. A variable reference, a symbol is called. A symbol, and it's just a symbol reference. Infer types. We get finish and check types as well. I've got no idea why declared. Oh, okay. Forgot all of this. The resolve symbol. This should be a get symbol. But this name. Maybe actually. Oh, I don't know. Where's the resolve? Should be lang. Yes, it just calls get. And if there's no variable, then I'm trying to find it in the map, in the symbol map, which is basically functions. Right now only functions. Later will be constants as well. Am I live? I'm live. Skipped frames. So I don't know why this happens. It's like in inner scope it doesn't find the symbol for some reason. Fail to resolve name I mean, yeah, that's right. K isn't. I don't know why K can't be resolved. Scope. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. It's actually way too much. Maybe I'll do a little hack on this debugging. Name is equal to what is key? Name is what? Name is a span. Is a ref. Okay. And now we'll get quite a bit more output, but not as much, not nearly as much. So this should be just two scopes. Fail to resolve case and scope nothing, scope nothing, scope. Oh wait, how am I gonna? I can't just output them like that. Where in scope? Varval. Let's see. And contains var basically like that. New scope. Let's see what it gives us. Oh, new scope, new scope, new scope. Scope contains X, scope contains Y. It's actually not a thing for some reason. X and Y. Why is there no scope? There should be like two scopes already. Don't understand. And why? Oh, it's my friends. Like, why is it formatted on the next line? I'm gonna leave it. Oh, why? Key first pull. Look. Expression. Push scope, pop scope. Should be just fine. I don't know why. Pop scope is actually used twice. I mean, sure, that's because of arguments. It's kind of a hack, but it's actually fine. Push scope, then I add variables, infer body, and pop scope. I still don't understand why. What's wrong? So there are two empty scopes above it. One being the body and one being this. This one should be empty, this one should contain key. Let me see if I return key here. Which means the scope is like clearing. There's a new scope which contains key and there we return. Scope. Move the last element from the vector. This to the adds to the back. So it should work. I've got no idea why. Actually, if I put return key here, and by the way, I should get a warning. That's right. That's nice to have. And it does work for some reason. Oh, what? Not only does work, it also makes this part compile. Why? I can't understand why. Why? What was symbol? Here, it's a symbol reference. Makes sense. Undeclared. So I wanted to run resolve and infer types. Makes sense. Should work just fine. I don't know why. I don't know why it doesn't work. By the way, I should probably push scopes around than else. Push and pop. Type inference, push scope here. Pop it. Hey AI. Why AI doesn't work today? And here as well. Okay, so what can modify scopes? Mutating. Oh, so will be variable ID. Current scope. I only insert some Can insert delete somehow. I mean, it can substitute, but I can't substitute here. Oh, if I infer a symbol. Hmm. Line. Line. Push. I don't know how we're gonna see this. I should print like when I if oh wait, I can't. I can just print when there's key. Here pop to resolve. Okay, 4 empty scopes. Why? Actually 3 empty scopes. Wait, why 3 empty scopes? Oh, makes sense because I had one. Pop push. Okay, so let me open it again and let me add a return key here so I can see where this starts. Why does it rebuild? Oh, it's because I modified the file. Not really modifying it. Scope contains XY, filter resolve key. Wait, what? There should be a line that says scope contains key. Didn't save. I saved. Yeah, unreachable code, right? Scope contains key here. Is it queen upside down? And from bottom to top? No way it is. Why? Key scope contains key, then double pop. But why am I resolving key above this line? I just don't understand. Why is this here? And why all those errors are printed here? And Okay. Okay, so here. Oh wow. I mean that's right. Where's our fast bow? Here I make it, then I return it. This looks so funny. Then here I also reference it a few times. Can I go into function? So I infer pop and then print body. Okay, here it is. Okay, so here I am building this, and for some reason I start with this part. Oh wait, I see why it can be. That's a pretty recent change. Block expression. Here when I infer types, I first infer tail expression, but I should first infer. Oops. And this is counted as a tail expression. So I should infer tail expression. It should be type unit. Unit like that. And then here, if what's wrong with AI today? Podium check health health check status on enable. I don't know. Tail expression equals self tail expression is mute, and then I infer types on it. I can actually do it like that, and then I paste it, and if r hash type does not equal to never, r hash type equals to expr type exit. Okay, it should be fixed now. Okay, seems fixed. Calc. But why didn't it run? I wonder. Oh, is this because of warning? I didn't even compile it. And compiler crashes basically. Arguments of return must match function signature. Is this because this function is not, this expression, tail expression is not never? Might be. Backend expression block. I build tail expression. Okay, where is the function? Not this function. So here I 5 and 6 and 7 I do nothing. should be. Okay, so here I compare and choose either 5 or 6, and 5 and 6 end with returns, and in block 7 I for some reason add a return. Here I added an implicit return if the body type is not never. I add implicit return to iterator collect. Oh, what? Actually, yeah, makes sense. So I build the function of the body, and in this case it returns nothing, which is actually never, but it's a unit. It returns a never type, but it returns a unit value. And the unit value, here it's an empty return, but for some reason this gives me not a never type. I don't know why. Where is the block? This is because I completely forgot to use tail expression. Or else default is type unit expr get type z. Okay, now it should compile as ref. Okay, now it should work. Let's check fast pow. Oh wait, 2 to the power 1024 probably doesn't fit in a 32-bit integer, signed integer. Let's do 16. Looks right to me. Okay, let's just commit that we fixed the bug. This is, how do I call it? Term bugs. At least now I'm surrounded not by real bugs, but by software bugs. Alan, hey, he's streaming right now, actually. Can I do? Can I do this? Chat is a mod. I should be able to do this. I'm pretty sure he doesn't really need my shutout. I'm gonna do this anyway. Shutout to 0 viewers. And then leave this just in case. I wonder if there is an alert for shutout. But yeah, he built some cool stuff. For example, Neapolitan, I don't know how to pronounce it. Static site generator. He made an ASCII bear with tuber avatar. And now got a webcam. Yeah, we need to rewrite all of this. Actually, maybe not, but probably do. God, I don't want to do this. I don't even know where to start. Okay, maybe let's start by declaring a trait for an expression. So expression should, oh wow. Let me nuke the whole thing right now. Yeah. Finish and check types. I'm gonna break everything right now. Also, do I put return in branching? Let me just get return out first, because it's I'm pretty sure it's the only one I handle here manually. Return here. I handle also variable declaration. But it has a variable. Okay, let me get return out first. Control flow. Control flow. Control flow. Return expression. Let's just go here. Make this a thing. Return. Oops. How did I do this? I broke new Vim's history. Return expression. Return expression. And this is gonna hold a box of expression. Maybe I should make this box optional. Because like unit type implicit. No, I'm gonna leave it. Actually, how do I have it in expression here? Should be normal expression. It's a spanned box of expression. Return expression. I mean, I don't need a new here. Of this expression. This expression. It's too. I'm gonna leave it just because we're writing it on traits right now. Type never. Infer types. How do infer types here? I guess just this. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna take it, put this here. Self 0 inner basically. Then finish and check types. Just copy it again. Why am I using my mouse so much in new Vim and arrow keys, not HJKL home roll? Because I'm not a touch typer. Maybe self 0 Oh wait, how do I get my span? Where did it happen? Keep, how do I do this in constant? I mean in constant I remember passing it into ESPN, but it's I mean it's still unfinished. And check types. I wonder now how I do this with ifs. Display for return expression. Let's copy everything from here. I mean nothing really to copy. Not much to copy, I mean. Do this. Self 0. Okay, now I can put return expression here the proper way. And I'm also gonna get rid of while loop for now. I'm gonna rewrite it completely later on. Return expression. Get type. Let me just get type. And here for types. Expr, just a classic infer types. Let's get rid of while here as well. Get rid of while here. Here I'm gonna finish and check types expr span. And the only thing I do here. Oh, what? Did I miss? Oh. Okay, so span just no whatever. Inner. Expr inner. Simple. Here return as just like others. Just gotta take all this power and be brave. Rewrite the whole compiler. This will probably take me like 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 streams. I mean 10 streams, this is more like a year with my stream schedule. I should stream like every day, and would be nice to stream every day and twice a day, at the morning and at the evening. So at the morning capture, like why I stream at this time is basically no one's watching me, no one's listening to me, but I mean it's YouTube mode. By the way, how is YouTube doing? Doing fine. This is not a thing. So yeah, I stream this at this time because look, local time is fine. Los Angeles, Texas, even London time is fine. I mean, in Texas, people probably work at this time, but I mean, it's not midnight. And even in Australia, it's 5 a.m. People may wake up at this time. I do sometimes. Sometimes I go to bed at this time. So for specifically for Australia, I should stream also at mornings. So like catch my time. And Australia time, maybe China, and Asia, or how do you pronounce it?
Asia.
Asia. Oh, this was quite loud. Yeah, secret projects show off. Building a 3D printer. Hopefully a video on this on YouTube soon. Yeah, finish and check types. I've got turn. It should be working now, except that I need to fix all the dependency crates. All dependent crates, I should say. Returns very easy. Value.0. Oh, I need to do public. And here in parser, now it's a little different. Here when I wrap spam, spam, I need a return expression here. Qualify. Yeah, it will take some space. And what's wrong? Box. Span box. Oh, I need to take grab span out of this here, right? Seems right to me. Let's see if we can compile something now, and let's see if it actually works. To the power of 16 still works. Nice. Now let's go to expression, and I don't know how to do it properly. What would be the best way to do it? But I need to replace this expression enum by a trait. Because not even sure. I mean, I need expression to be a part of child language. I mean, child language in front end. And the expression IR, which it should contain. I don't know. I should have an expression trait for sure. But expression IR should be a bit different. This complicates things so much. Go to player slang. Let me try emulating this. Const use 32, for example. guessing to V. I'm used to Vim's now. Find or add, even simpler, box of dynamic expression trait expression stdfmt display. Let's just add keep this contract, and so and let's import const import display for const fmt f mute to self. How does this work? stdfmt formatter synonyms lifetime here, which probably isn't necessary, but sure. stdfmt result of nothing. Okay, here I return like that. I do what do I do? Write f self 0, then I copy this, paste it for add. Self 1, and then I import expression for const for add, and then I'm let me print add the box new const to box new add the box new const 3, and let me it's a little hard to see, and 3 and 4, and this should be just 2 plus 3 and 4. Add parentheses so you can see it better. Mismatched closing parenthesis, yes. Probably one extra just. Oh, like that. Expected combo found added where? Oh, I mean, oh wow. Argument never is that's where the parenthesis would be. Wait, format result is this kind of result. And this doesn't have to be public. Okay, yeah. So this is what I was going to convert to, and the problem is that I need like custom methods, custom, and I need those to hold custom data, basically. So if I do like hex const, which is language specific, which for example would hold a string, but I'm not gonna do this. And I'm gonna import expression for hex const. and I'm gonna import display for it, whatever. It's gonna be x of self 0. It should probably wrap const, because why not? And let's make it hex const. Yeah, but my trait is much more complex than this. It has type inference and stuff, and the problem is I can't just intercept like that. And also I'll need to somehow build it. Oh wow, this is gonna be tough. So I do need an expression in expression const added, but at the same time I need a trait. Just call it expression trait. Should be a better name. Like, oops, it's not. It doesn't work in Rust language as I used to. So this should be some kind of expression, some special expression. It's like more generic. It includes custom expressions. Interface, whatever. Then implement expression interface. Also implement display for expression enum, I think. Match self const expression on and set. So now I have let's see if it still compiles. No, I messed up somewhere. Oh, expression. So self. Oh wow, multiple cursors would be so nice here. Colon W to right. Okay, yeah. Haven't broken it. So in expression interface, I do as expression, which turns expression on which I can do stuff. And then here I implement as expression for. Actually, am I just finding out a solution to the problem? And it should take borrowed self, and expression should probably borrow this borrows that, and then I'll need to add lifetimes, which is simple because it's just a return value, and it borrows it, and expression lifetime lives as long as it borrows self. Are lifetimes and traits supported? I think so. Like after trait async, which is supported already. I'm not sure. And do I have to write this again? I'm pretty sure I do. So I just borrow self here. For const for add. So all my methods would be on expression in now. But for hex Still not ideal. I'll do as expression. So 0 like that. Lifetime and anonymous lifetime. Oh, yeah. And I am gonna get rid of this display bound. Expression dot. I'm gonna move display here just as an example of something we can implement as it is a display. So basically, imagine display as a type inference. Expression 0 and expression 1. Then we remove display from const. We remove display from added. And realistically, they would be actually no. We don't. We roll back. Yeah, this would be we remove display from hex because we want to implement type inference manually. So the whole point is implement display. Yeah, where is it? 0 1. S expression like that. That's the whole point of it. Probably sound terrible. Borrowed const. Oh, and in add, of course, should add the. Oh yeah, borrow this. Yeah. Now it's well, now it doesn't display hex because I completely removed this part. But I mean, who cares? So yeah, but I need to intercept it. So imagine type checking. Imagine type checking. I'm not sure how to show it. So impl expression type checking on self. Simplify it as much as possible. Const expr, and basically I'm gonna expr dot type check type types that added. Oops. Then I'm gonna have this here. Impl const in impl added. So in const if let's imagine odd numbers are not allowed. Actually, even better idea is power of 2. If it's not, then I return an error, or actually I report an error. So I'll simulate as a println, not a power of 2. Set self 0. Then here in add for check type side, just to self 0 s expression check types, and they do same for 1, which is closely mimicking what I have. Is power of 2 like that, yeah. And we should have 2 errors. Let expr close this, expr check types, and I should call as expression here. Not a power of 2 3, and for some reason that's all. because 4 is the power of 2. Let's put 6 in here. Yeah, but imagine Hex wants to throw a special error. Literal is not power of 2. Let's imagine Hex wants to throw a special error. So what do I do here? What do I actually do? That's a problem. Like, I don't know. Do I actually put type checking here? But if I do, like, I have to put display doesn't count. I have to put spends. Oh wow, managing expenses just a pain. Let's not talk about that. I have to put all of those messes into a trade. And it's not that this is much of a problem. I can just redirect infer types easily. But a problem is building. I can't build it. I can't just build it unless I use something like an enum. Maybe so like if I move check types to the trade, then then I'll do this check types. Let's comment out enum for now. Okay, impl add. And I'm gonna implement check types. This is easy to do, but there is a problem about building this expression. Where is this expression? Oh, I don't have to do this anymore. How am I deleting one character more than I want? Oh, select quite a bit. Okay, it still works. And I don't know how to properly do this. Like intercept a report. But there is an even bigger problem, which is building. Like, how do I build? So I've checked types and now I want to build, for example. Maybe I could scroll down more. But I can't because expression is. Let's actually properly box new. One more parentheses thingy, and this is a box of dynamic expression interface. Actually, I know how to properly call it. No, okay, it's still here. Expression place all, but expression will be built in expression like that. So now imagine I want to build, but how do I build? Build expert. Add some space here. Fn build expert for of dynamic expression. Let's see if it builds. Probably no. No. Can I do this? Probably no. I can do this, but I mean, I can do this, but it looks ugly, so I'm gonna do sref. And we don't have kebab case in Rust. Okay, warning. Now in build, for example, I wanna build break this down into buildable blocks. I can theoretically try to add a method here called like build that would take a builder or whatever, and this would basically become a visitor. But oh my god, I don't want to do it so much. It's like it's a pain. Maybe actually I should. Like I can bring back as expression as built-in expression, which would take self return have lifetime built-in expression. Let's explore possible options. I don't need this. And then I'm gonna implement this as built-in expression for this as built-in expression. Built-in expression const borrow. I mean self. And I can also use downcasts, but this is still bad because I can't downcast hex to a const. Hex const to a const. It's not that I can have inheritance and stuff here. Oh, it's almost 11 p.m. now. So built-in expression const self dot zero borrowed. So now I can do what I can do here is much as I had as built-in expression. Yeah, and like here I'll have const exper println building const exper 0 and add exper will yield build exper 0 and build exper 1. Some problems. Oh, wait, what? How is this a U32? Oh, because this is this should have built-in expression should be acceptant. I is capital if I remember correctly. My voice is like so weak. I should probably speak louder, and no one has visited the stream yet, which is pretty unfortunate. More like a video recording now, explaining different stuff, which no one is gonna watch because it's a terrible quality recording. What's wrong? Oh, yes. And okay, we're building all consts and probably building also building and at this it should works nicely. But isn't this a a little bit uncomfortable to use. Maybe I should just use build method. And implement actual functionality, which actually gives me some interesting results, some interesting benefits. So if I do trade builder, more generics, alright. Yeah, it's gonna give me more generics in my code, and it's a pain. This is actually bad and unavoidable. Unless I use impl or dynamic dispatch. Should probably just use impulse. So builder, for example, build const, which will take mutable self, and const, which will not be a const, I think. What value is u32, and then there will be a full build editor, and this would return a value. Here's another problem. I need to find value type. For crane lift backend, it's gonna be a crane lift value. For some backends, it might be whatever. And a u32, a u size as an identifier. And it's gonna be value, return value. Let's just implement a simple builder. Yield self, LHS, root dynamic expression. Alright, actually not like that, but this would be a value. Value like that, and then here it would be build, which takes an immutable reference to self and a mutable reference to a dynamic builder, or impl here. It will probably be, actually I think I'll leave it as impl and pass dynamic dispatch. And this will return, I'm not sure, value, probably value. Which, oh no, so oh wait, this trait can't be made into a trait object. Yeah, that's a problem. That's a problem because value is a type. I don't know. I mean, I can borrow it and theoretically it should work, but I don't think so. Type checking would just break on it. This to be build mutable reference to p, and like that b value. Oh, I remember something. I've done something like this already. Probably even in Java. So yeah, let's, instead of this, let's do build, and let's do builder. Build const build const self to 0. Oh, it should be builder. Something like that. Okay, then builder build added self 0, self 1, and I build those, and I need to extract it because I don't know why, but for some reason Rust says it's unsafe. I have no idea why. Like, why? I can just put arguments into a function. or is it like this fast call, like calling conventions that arguments are passed in reverse order, so they're gonna be evaluated in reverse order? I don't know. Yeah, basically like that. And for example, for hex, I would normally do just like self-zero build builder, leave this as is. But instead, I'm gonna do x equals. I'm gonna do a double constant instead of hex constant. And here I should put double constant. Self-zero build, and then I build add x and to itself. And then instead of a functional approach, I'm gonna have a struct which doesn't contain anything for now. I mean, for the demonstration purposes, or TW. You might see where I'm going with it. Yeah, you might already see where I'm going with it. Because I've done this so many times. You can't even imagine. So I return. Wow. Return left hand side plus right hand side. And yes, we just built a tree-walking interpreter. Build mute TW builder. I'm not sure. Can't find type value in the scope. Self probably at 6. Yes, self value. Value. Work now. Expression cannot be made into an object because it contains a. Yeah, that's a problem. So I can't just do this. Oh, I don't know. I need to make a builder into a trait object, but I can't since there is generic type value. Unless I make a value a trait. But I mean, it has to be generic, and generics and traits are not supported. Like I can't pass a value from multiple builders. Like from different builders, from one to another, I can't pass a value. So the value has to be a type, but then I can't make builder into a trait object, and if I can't make builder into a trait object, then I can't have a function build. Oh my god, I don't know how to fix it. Trait object is add. Trait function. That's just Is it just a bit different? Associated types, yeah, associated types and traits. Trait object with associated types. We can't. That's a problem. Can you make trait generic? Probably no. Custom wrapper traits. I mean, I need to somehow build. Can I have generic traits? Oh, not here. I mean, if this trait could be generic, like, then I could. Geez, builder. Then I could get rid of this, and this would make so much sense. Where T is, where B is builder, I'm gonna implement expression of B. Let's just quick check. It won't compile, of course, but is it possible? Maybe. Not maybe it's possible. I'm not sure. Let's see. And of course, no one is there in chat, so they could tell me immediately that I'm wrong, but I'm hopefully not. These are used for generic parameter. P for often built. And here missing generics for trait express. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to. Oh yes, this is a big pain. I don't want to do this. Check types, box of expression of TW builder. Line 45. What? Score, which is a builder. What? Oh, and this is also. Can I do copy? Oh, where? Let's for now. Let's just this out. Put this back in here. Oops. Sorry. Check types. Const as expression of B. Yeah, that's also a very pain. Check type sum 0. That's also a big pain. Okay, 11. but this is so terrible in fact that I have to put generics into my IR, into any composite operation. Imagine if double const held a add instead of const. Yes, this would be terrible. Let me just make double construction double. Waste my time a little bit. So 17, right? But I don't want this to be it here. Can we somehow wrap it? Probably no, because I need method build. I need a method called build, which takes some builder, any builder, but the value. Can I wrap a value as a trait? Oh, to be honest, can I do complete nonsense? Or not as a trait or as a struct? I mean, I can, but I don't want expression to be dependent on anything. So I don't know how to do this. I think I need type system to save me from using two different builders. So this should probably like be on values. Value should have a trade bound or something. Or I can return dynamic any and then check that it's the right value. Let's not think about that. So when I'm providing external builder, can I return the box of I mean no, I want like make it so this can be made into a trade object, but it can't because value type leaks here. It leaks. I don't know. I don't know how to do it properly. Maybe I can not pass a builder, but maybe I can't. Not they can. The whole point is me walking a tree. Not built in. And in order to walk at that tree, I can't even like define a function that takes a function and returns what this function returned. I can't have it type erased. Online for today would be like 0.1 viewer. Such terrible stream. Yesterday was such a good stream. I mean, not that I'm doing anything interesting at all. Like I need this an expression itself to tell how to build it. I get referenced again somewhere. Discord. Not really. What was the sound? I've got no idea what to do with this. Like I can add another layer. Well, basically I can just roll back to this old implementation with S as built-in expression. That's all I can think of. Throwback. Like this is the simplest solution. And what is this dot? It's just on my screen. No, it's not. What is this dot? You can see it move in. And it's not like it's from a window. Move a window over it. What is this white dot? KDE plasma. What's going on? What? It's everywhere. Yeah, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna end. Stream is unsuccessful. Marked as unsuccessful. But I'm pretty sure that's a way. So yeah, probably I should raid. Alan is still alive, might raid them. Or might raid. Smooth Danger, I don't know. I should probably raid to one of them. Let's give me a random number 8 with 1 and 2. Why 1 and 2? 0 and 1. 0 for Alan, 1 for Dagger. Just because. It's being AI. Like being brave. Generate answer. Google. Let's fall back. Google has so many tools, like so many tools. Okay, 1, 0, whatever. I guess it was 1, so I guess Dagger. Note it is intended for, or it's not. Like there was a message about match routing, whatever, like 18 plus. Let me just end the stream. I didn't even connect it to YouTube. That's how good of a stream it was, sarcastically. So yeah, goodbye YouTube.